I'm Nick from ASUS Education, and today we're here at BET to show you our Chrome solutions. Renowned for long battery life, onboard security, and being quick and easy to use, Chromebooks are capable machines for both students and teachers. Our latest CR1102 device, designed for K-12 students, comes in both flip and clamshell form factors, is military grade, durable for drops, bumps, and even spills up to 405mm. It has 2 cameras, including Privacy Shield, as well as a well-facing camera for taking pictures, and is designed with the environment in mind, with 30% PCR plastics used in the base. Its push-pop scarage stylus has exceptional pressure sensitivity and comes with a full array of connectivity options. For teachers, we offer screen sizes right up to 17-inch, still built to the same education standards, such as our latest 14-inch CB3401Z, which comes with additional performance with the Intel Core processors and large onboard storage. With many more Chrome solutions available, we'd love to hear from you and upgrade you to incredible.